So hi guys, today's topic is self-worth. That means to have unshakable belief in yourself, unshakable faith in yourself. That means self-acceptance, self-love, self-understanding. And the highest form of self-worth is when you accept yourself with a lot of flaws, weaknesses and limitations. And the outer influence of people doesn't matter to you. So I would like to share some points regarding the self-worth. The first point is, draw a line in the sand. That means you really need to, stay away from some set of people who try to demotivate you, who try to discourage you, who try to deplete your energy, who try to, give you negative thoughts of influence in yourself to make your self-worth very low. So just try to be away from such set of people. The second point is exercise and laugh. Whenever we laugh or exercise, there are certain cells and chemicals which are released from a body that is known as endorphins. When they are released, we get a lot of motivation and confidence, and it gives us a feeling of well-being and happiness. And it also resists us from such diseases which we are able to adopt in the future as well. So exercise and laugh is very important. The next point is you really need to tell yourself that you matter a lot. You really need to acknowledge yourself, love yourself on daily basis, and say some affirmations that yes, I am valuable, I am wonderful, and listen to your inner self in same way, the way you listen to your family members and friend circle. So you really need to tell yourself that your choices of opinions, your decisions, your point of view matters a lot. The next point, you really need to break the chain, break the cycle to please others who really try to take your advantage of your emotional nature. So stop pleasing them, because you're scared that you might lose them, but they take advantage of that emotions. So stop pleasing them, break that chain. Start pleasing yourself, start making yourself happy first. The next point is reclaim your integrity. That means walk away from such situations you think which is very in which you don't deserve that kind of behavior or any kind of pattern, and you speak up for yourself, give that situation a value, give that situation a truth, and be very honest with some situations in which you think which are very unfair for you, which are not tolerable, and give a stall in that situation. Stall means start saying no whenever you're not comfortable. So reclaim your integrity. The next point is don't underestimate the power of attitude. That means the way you talk to yourself, the way you perceive yourself, and the way you represent yourself. You really need to do that in that way that people also will see that how you're talking to yourself, how you're perceiving yourself, so they will also treat you in the same manner. So you really have to check in all these 3 points, that how you talk to yourself, how you perceive yourself, and basically how you represent yourself. And one more point which I would like to say, that it's okay if you in some time you have forgot your self-worth, and I always say that comeback is always stronger than the setback. But your relationship with yourself will set the tone with the relationship with others in the world. So you really need to have a check your relationship with yourself. So thank you so much guys, and take care. Bye bye.